Hello, food lovers. Today, we're bringing a burst of sunshine to your kitchen with a tropical pineapple and beef dinner. Imagine the sweet, juicy tang of pineapple paired with savory, tender beef, an irresistible combo found in many tropical cuisines. Pineapple's natural sweetness balances the richness of beef and even helps tenderize it, making every bite soft and flavorful. Add in vibrant bell peppers and red onions, and you've got a colorful, mouth-watering plate. This dish is all about easy, fun cooking with a big, delicious payoff. It's perfect for a busy weeknight or a special weekend with friends. No complicated steps, just simple ingredients and bold flavors. We'll chop, sizzle, and stir our way to a meal that's pure sunshine. Ready to travel to a tropical paradise without leaving home? Grab your apron and let's get started. This is more than dinner. It's an experience. Let's dive into this flavorful journey together. Let's get cooking. Time to make magic. Here's how to whip up a pineapple beef stir-fry you'll crave again and again. Start with 1 pound of beef, flank steak or sirloin, sliced thin against the grain for tenderness. Cut a fresh pineapple into bite-sized chunks, or use drained canned pineapple if you're short on time. Slice 1 red and 1 green bell pepper into strips for color and crunch. For the marinade, mix beef with 2 TBSP soy sauce, 1 TBSP cornstarch, and 1 TSP sesame oil. Let it sit for 15 minutes. Heat a large skillet or wok over high heat, add a splash of oil, and sear the beef in batches for 2 to 3 minutes until browned. Remove beef and set aside. Add more oil if needed, then stir-fry the bell peppers for 3 to 4 minutes until just tender. Return the beef to the pan, add pineapple chunks, and stir everything together. Now, it's time for the sauce. This recipe is quick, colorful, and packed with flavor. Don't overcrowd the pan. Work in batches for the best sear. The sizzle means you're on the right track. Keep everything moving for even cooking. Once combined, you're ready for the final, most flavorful step. Let's make that sauce and bring it all together. Get ready for a flavor explosion. The sauce is what makes this dish shine. In a bowl, whisk 1/4 cup low-sodium soy sauce, 2 TBSP brown sugar, 1 TBSP rice vinegar, 1 minced garlic clove, and 1 TSP grated ginger. Like it spicy? Add a pinch of red pepper flakes. Pour the sauce over your beef, pineapple, and peppers in the hot pan. Stir as the sauce bubbles and thickens, coating everything in a glossy glaze. For a thicker sauce, mix 1 TSP cornstarch with 2 TSP cold water and stir it in. The aroma is incredible, sweet, savory, and just a little spicy. Cook for another minute or two until the sauce clings to every bite. That's it. Your stir-fry is ready, simple, quick, and absolutely delicious. Let's build the perfect bowl. A great meal is both delicious and nourishing. Serve your stir-fry over a bed of jasmine or brown rice, or try quinoa for extra protein. Add more veggies if you like. Broccoli, carrots, or snap peas all work beautifully. Harder veggies go in earlier, softer ones near the end. The more colors, the more nutrients, and the prettier your plate. Finish with toasted sesame seeds for crunch and fresh cilantro or green onions for brightness. These little touches add flavor and make your meal pop. Build your bowl with lean protein, colorful veggies, and a wholesome base. It's healthy eating that's never boring. This dish is as good for you as it tastes. Enjoy a balanced, beautiful meal every time. Eating well can be this easy. Let's add a gourmet twist. Want to impress? Serve your stir-fry in a hollowed-out pineapple for instant wow. Use a premium cut of beef, like filet mignon, for extra tenderness. Grill the pineapple chunks before adding for a smoky, sweet flavor boost. Try coconut rice as a base. Just cook rice with coconut milk for a creamy, tropical touch. Add crispy wonton strips or a fresh salad with ginger lime vinaigrette on the side. Pair with tropical punch or a crisp white wine for a true feast. Presentation and small upgrades make this meal unforgettable. Your guests will love the flavors and the fun. Simple steps, big impact. Now let's hear a story behind the dish. Chef Leo stood in his modern kitchen, but tonight he was cooking from the heart. Slicing fresh pineapple, he remembered his childhood on a sunny island and his grandmother's legendary pineapple beef. Nana taught him to let flavors get to know each other and to cook with a happy heart. On his restaurant's anniversary, Leo chose to make Nana's dish instead of something futuristic. The sizzle of beef, the aroma of pineapple, and the vibrant peppers brought back memories of family and home. He served the meal family style, just like Nana did. His team, used to high-tech cuisine, was surprised, but delighted by the sweet, savory flavors. They tasted not just the food, but the story and love behind it. "This is the most important dish I've ever made," Leo said. "It's my grandmother's recipe, a taste of home. Food connects us to our roots and to each other. Every bite can tell a story. That's the magic of cooking with love." Bring that spirit to your own kitchen. Share your story through food. Now, it's your turn to shine. You've got the recipe, the tips, and a story. Now bring the tropics home. Make it your own. Add spice, swap veggies, and have fun with flavors. Gather your family or friends and let the colors and aromas set the mood. This meal is perfect for quick dinners or special occasions. Remember, thinly slice the beef, marinate well, and don't skip the magic sauce. Most important, cook with a happy heart. Enjoy the process, share your creations, and make memories around the table. Food is about connection, joy, and a little bit of sunshine. I hope this dish brings happiness and flavor to your home. Happy cooking, everyone!